Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada. This is a box we received from Amazon right now, so I guess we bought a lot of things here. So let's see what is inside and do a review about it. Ooh, that's what I like. Finally. It was in the cart for a long time. And finally it is. So I love this one. I was a kid, really. My kids do have the same, but I hope it is it's the large one, because mostly
I really wanted this.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like Lego?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you not so excited?
I am.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to help you out?
Yeah.
Do it yourself?
I'll just go the easy way.
Okay, so now explain to them what is this and what are you opening.
So you build this usually. Everyone knows that. We're not babies. Some girls, some boys like it.
Some girls, some boys like it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help
you.
you out.
Boys, mostly boys.
Mostly boys?
Yeah.
Then why did I buy for you?
But I actually like it.
Okay. Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. Can you put it that side so we can see? How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
Wow, 4 bags.
Look what we can make.
What can we make?
We can make this.
Uh-huh. Okay.
First, can do this too.
Okay.
But we don't have those. We didn't get those.
All right. So
Ooh, cool.
you're going to clean up everything, right? After you play?
Yeah.
You
Where's
sure, right?
the little Legos?
So little Legos?
Oh, these are big Legos. So these are the golden ones. Everyone likes them. These
Okay.
are special.
Okay.
And the normal ones are not special.
So we're gonna record the video and making them kids telling them how to build and all those things. Okay, so I'll put it under the video.
I always like making stuff. So let's get started.
Let's get started. No, not right now. You're so excited. Okay.
And
Okay.
hey guys again. I'm gonna be me and my
Ahmed, what do you think about the logo?
It's too big.
What about it?
I like it when it's small.
Really?
You guys, this is what like people do. They just weird. I'm usually looking at the
I
back.
like it when it's big.
So what I'm gonna build, me and my brother are gonna build something. Oh, build, boy.
Oh.
But then where are the big blocks? Is it?
Which big one?
We don't have.
لا هذا دري ما مش موجود. I don't know. Check it out.
So usually, brick.
So what do you think about this logo, Ahmed? What do you think about it?
I don't like it a lot.
Huh?
I don't like it a lot.
Why not?
It's kind of weird how it's so big.
You don't like big ones?
Yeah. I don't like it.
I like the big ones. What about you, Raj? You like them?
I like them very much.
Okay, now we need the bag so we can put them in so you don't mess up things.
Usually I'm gonna make a house. A mansion. Wait, where's the big one? Like, I used to make mansions when I was in grade 1. I mean kindergarten. When I was in kindergarten, I made what usually called it? What you wanna make? What you wanna make now?
I guess we need a mat,
Yeah.
right? You can.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you wanna make now?
All right. So now we unboxed the game. The kids like it. Thank you for watching, and share, subscribe,
I'm not done.
like. If you want to explain any more about it, you can explain it in your channel. All right? I'll put the link of your channel down below this video. Okay?
Make sure to like, share, give us a huge thumbs up.
Thank you.
Love you guys.
Ahmed, tell them.
Subscribe, like, and share to other people who don't know about our channel. Or red over here. Red, bring the orange, Kyle.
That's how cool the game is, and thank you for watching Unboxing Canada. Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. And comment if there is anything that you want us to buy and unbox.